Today we will show you how to set up and use the Garmin Pay on your vívomove Style or Luxe. To set up Garmin Pay on your watch, you will need your watch, smartphone, and card from a participating bank. All Garmin Pay setup is done through the Garmin Connect app. You will start by adding your cards. For this video, we will be using an iPhone, but the process for Android is the same. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your phone and accessing the menu. This is the More icon on iPhones. Next, touch Garmin Pay. Then, touch Get Started. You will then select your device, if necessary. To create your wallet, you will need to enter a secure 4-digit passcode. Then, select the card type. The app will then start getting your watch ready to add Garmin Pay. Then enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter your name and address information on the next screen. Accept your bank's terms and conditions. You may be required to verify your identity with your bank. You can select an option such as receiving a one-time email or text message from your bank. You've now added your card to your wallet, and it will sync down to your watch. When ready to use Garmin Pay on your watch, double tap to wake the screen, then swipe down to access the shortcut menu. Touch the wallet icon. Enter your 4-digit passcode. You only need to do this once every 24 hours or anytime you remove the watch from your wrist. Now hold your watch near the card reader to make your purchase. And that's it. You can now set up and use Garmin Pay on your vívomove Style or Luxe. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.